Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious when I say this, but quite the afternoon, quite the close to the week. Things were looking rough. It was looking like a big old gap and trap. Price had moved up and then just fell and fell and fell and fell. And then all of a sudden, kaboom, basically straight up. But you know what? I'm not impressed. And I assure you there's a lot of other people out there that are not impressed. What do I mean by that? Well, that's great. There's no doubt about it. It made a huge move. But it still hasn't cleared the problem point. What is the problem point? Now, if you watched my videos from the past couple days, you probably know right where I'm going to talk about next. But it's still down below that red line right there, which on my chart is representing resistance. And that resistance value is right up there at 327, which when you go back through the history of the chart, you can see this area was a problem. Fell back below it, returned back up, was a problem once again, and once again the price has returned back upwards. So you better believe that there is going to be lots and lots of people watching this area right here at 327, all wondering the same thing. So me talking about 327, I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part and nobody else has taken notice of this. No, I assure you, lots of people know about 327, and when lots of people are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some nice upside movement. Now, don't get me wrong, not a guarantee. My core point here is it is more than valid to think that if the price can get up to 327 and get through it, that could very well create some good upside pressure. But also keep in mind, look very closely. There's been several little miniature fake breaks. So just because it goes to 327.010, or excuse me, 327.01, does not mean that for sure it's a break. There's been some fakes. So, you know, how much confirmation do you want to get? You know, that's up to you. But like I said, as of right now, impressive move, yes, but I'm not quite impressed from the overall, viewpoint of things because the price is still struggling with 327. So 327 will be the spotlight on Monday. So we'll see if the price can get up above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.